In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Areej Fatma and I am from BS Chemistry department. Today I am going to present the second course of Python, joining data with pandas. Basically, what are the contents of joining data with pandas, in which we see data merging basics, advanced merging, ordered merging, and at last certification. Basically, what is data merging basics? It includes left join, inner join, right join. What is inner join? Inner join will abstract data that is present in both tables. For example, if we have two tables, then it will abstract data from both. In the given picture, you can see merge the licenses and biz owners table on account. Here are the two tables, license and biz owners. So inner join will abstract data from both licenses and biz owners. Then is left join. Left join returns rows from left table and only those rows from right table which are similar to the left table. For example, in the query you can see merge the Toy Story and taglines tables with left join. Here Toy Story tag is equal to Toy Story dot merge into taglines on is equal to id and how is equal to left. Left means left join. Print the rows and shape of Toy Story tag. Print, simply type print and then Toy Story tag, and in the next print into Toy Story tag dot shape. Next is right join. Right join will return rows from right table and from left table that are similar to right one. Here are also two tables, movie to genres and pop movies table. And here we will count the number of genres. Genre count is equal to genre movies dot group by into genre aggregate id count. Uh, if we want to plot a bar chart of genre count, then simply type genre count dot plot kind is equal to bar, then plt dot show into bracket. Self join. In this type of join, you merge or join one table to itself. Next is advanced merging. In advanced merging, we will first see semi join, which will return rows according to given condition. In the given query, merge the non-merged tag and top invoices tables on it. Then use is in bracket to subset non-merged TCSK to rows with it in table. Then group the top tracks by GID and count the TID rows. Then merge the genres table to CNT by grid on GID and then print. Anti-join. Anti-join will return results that are present in table according to condition, which means that in the given query, merge employees and top customers. Employee customers is equal to employees dot merge into top customer on SIRD and how is equal to left join indicator true. Then select the SRID column from where merge is left only. SID list, then employee customer dot log employee customers and merge, which is equal to left only. Then get employees not working with top customers, simply print into employees SRID which are not working with top customers is in SRID list. Then concatenation basics. We can see concatenate the tracks shown on the columns which are named that are in all tables. Then is ordered merging. Ordered merging. First is merge ordered. This this is used for ordered results. We can see to order the results, use merge ordered to merge inflation, unemployment with inner join, inflammation, inflation, unemploy, PD dot merge ordered, inflation, unemployment on date, and how is equal to inner join. Then print inflation unemploy, simply type print then into inflation unemploy. If we want to plot a scatter plot of unemployment rate versus CPI of inflation in unemploy, then type inflation unemploy dot plot kind is equal to scatter, and x is something unemployment rate, and we will write y is equal to CPI, then PLT dot show, then merge ASOF. Then is query. Query is used for selecting a statement inside query syntax. And here is the certificate which is given me on June 10, 2022 on completion of joining data with Pandas. That's all from my side. Thank you.